What up, YouTube? Mr. Random here checking back in, gang. Today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how we block sand our parts for our Monte Carlo. Just got me some flat black paint. I'm gonna apply it to the surface, and I'm gonna hit everything with some 320. So if you're new, go ahead and leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna show you that love back for sure, and we gonna keep it coming, gang. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. Let's get it. This how I like to fold my sandpaper when I'm putting it on a palm sander. Y'all see the block? This ain't nothing but a piece of 320 right here. I like to get it the width of the block, fold it up, and tuck it, lock it down. It's a little long, so I had to shorten it up a little bit. Y'all see what's going on. Appreciate y'all, baby. Let's get it. Alright, gang, y'all see how it's coming. We keeping it wet using that 320, and we're trying to work all of those black spots that you see up out there to try to get them highs and lows all evened out. So again, appreciate y'all for watching. If you can, which I know you could, go hit that like button for me. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, baby. Let's get it. Alright, gang. Appreciate y'all for stopping by, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all got an idea of what you need to do to take care of your body work. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out here. Y'all enjoy y'all night. Have a good one. Until then, we'll see y'all next time.